This is what I want you to do now. With your packets and using this as a reference, I want you to turn your page. We're not going to do example 1. I want you to go to example 2. So just turn your page. Okay? Example 2 is where you get to create your own ratio. You're going to draw your own picture, and you're going to write an example of, with your picture, a part to part, and you're going to write a part to whole with your picture. So you get to choose and create your own picture. Now here's the catch. I am going to be using number spoons, and I'm going to hear from each group. So everyone has to be on task and ready to share. When you finish, if you want to compare with a neighbor, I would recommend doing that. Okay, so we're going to hear from each of the groups, okay? Okay, so starting over here at Central, number 1. Who's number 1? Okay, so share your part to part. What was your part to part?
5 copies of Overwatch, 1 copy of Fortnite.
So 5, I didn't hear the first one. 5 to what? 5
Overwatch copies.
I cannot say that. And then 4 to Fortnite?
Yes.
Nice. Fortnite? Awesome. Hey, Lutz, who's number 1 here?
I am.
Okay, tell me your part to part.
I put 6
Everyone,
circles.
wait just a minute. We need to be respectful. Okay, go
I
ahead.
put 6 circles and 8 squares.
6 circles to 8 squares?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, how about, who's number 1 over here? Okay, share your part to whole.
Mine was 2 squares and 8 total.
2 squares and 8 total. Awesome. Western, who was our number 1? Okay, do part to whole for me. 4 hearts and 7 total?
Yeah.
Nice. Who's the number 1 over here? Okay, do a part to whole as well.
4 squares to 8 total.
4 squares to 8 total? Nice. Okay, how about Bates? Who is number 1? Okay, do a part to part for me. Tell me what your parts to part.
3 to 4 and 3 over 4.
And what were your shapes? 3 what?
3 squares and 4 circles.
4 circles. Awesome. Okay, so Eastern, who's your number 1? Okay, tell me your part to part.
1 triangle to 2 squares.
1 triangle to 2 squares. Nice. Okay, and then our last group over here. Who's our number 1 here? Okay, what was your part to part?
3 dogs to 1 cat.
3 dogs to 1 cat. Okay, I have a question. By just raising your hand, did anyone have to reduce their fraction or reduce theirs? Okay, can you tell me what the original was and what it reduced to?
6 to 8 and then reduce it to 3.
3 to 4.
6 to 8 and reduced to 3/4?